I want to buy a laptop. I'm interested in the LOQ laptop. I'd like to buy one laptop. How much is it? Uh, do you have any discount? Where can you deliver it? Uh, when will I receive it? Uh, how can I pay? I'll choose cash on delivery. Thank you.